Welcome back to the Greenhorn Travelers channel. MTDC, Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation, Matheran is one of the most popular stays in the serene hill station of Matheran, known for its proximity to the toy train rail tracks, lush greenery, and a tranquil atmosphere. Nestled in the western Ghats, Matheran offers an idyllic escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life. The MTDC resort in Matheran is a reflection of this serene environment, allowing visitors to reconnect with nature while providing comfortable and rustic accommodations. One of the most charming aspects of MTDC Matheran is its proximity to the historic toy train rail tracks that wind through the lush forests of the region. As you step out of certain rooms or walk along the resort's pathways, you may notice the narrow gauge railway line just a few meters away. These tracks are an integral part of Matheran's history, with the toy train having operated since the early 1900s, ferrying passengers from Neral to the heart of the hill station. The train passes through beautiful natural landscapes, offering panoramic views of the surrounding valleys and forests. For guests staying at MTDC Matheran, hearing the soft, rhythmic chugging of the toy train as it meanders along the tracks is a delightful experience. Some rooms offer views where you can sit on your veranda or balcony and watch the train pass by, adding a vintage and nostalgic feel to your stay. The sight of the small, colorful train amidst the greenery gives visitors a sense of connection to a slower, more peaceful time when life was less hurried. While the train no longer runs as frequently as it once did, its presence still enhances the unique charm of the property. Guests often gather near the tracks to take pictures or simply enjoy the peaceful ambience as the train makes its way through Matheran's rolling hills. Additionally, the rail line, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a significant draw for tourists who appreciate its historical and cultural importance. The MTDC Matheran Resort is spread across a spacious area that is surrounded by dense forests, adding to the sense of seclusion and peace. The resort is designed to blend into the natural landscape, with cottages and rooms scattered across the property, each designed to offer privacy and a sense of retreat from the outside world. The accommodations at MTDC Matheran include a variety of options, from simple standard rooms to more spacious and luxurious cottages. Each room is basic yet comfortable, with a focus on cleanliness and functionality. The cottages, made of brick and wood, evoke a rustic charm that is in harmony with the natural surroundings. Large windows allow plenty of natural light, while verandas offer a peaceful spot to sit and enjoy the sights and sounds of the forest. The resort's accommodations are ideal for families, couples, and solo travelers alike, offering both budget-friendly options and more premium rooms for those seeking a bit more comfort. The overall atmosphere is calm and unpretentious, emphasizing the natural beauty of Matheran over the opulence of high-end resorts. MTDC Matheran also features an in-house restaurant that serves simple yet delicious local cuisine. The menu typically includes Maharashtrian dishes as well as popular Indian and Chinese offerings to cater to a broader audience. Dining at the resort is a casual affair, often accompanied by the sounds of nature, from birds chirping to the occasional rustling of leaves in the wind. Guests can dine indoors or take their meals outside to enjoy the cool mountain air. One of the highlights of the property is its open spaces, which allow for leisurely walks, outdoor games, or simply sitting on the lawns and soaking in the surroundings. The resort also has a children's play area, making it an ideal spot for families. There are benches placed strategically throughout the property for guests to sit, relax, and observe the natural beauty all around. The resort's natural setting is its most significant advantage. Surrounded by the dense evergreen forests of the Western Ghats, MTDC Matharan offers a front row seat to Matharan's biodiversity. Matharan is known for its car-free policy, which means no motorized vehicles are allowed in the region. As a result, the area remains free of pollution and noise, with only the sounds of birds, monkeys, and the occasional horse, a common mode of transportation in Matharan, filling the air. For nature lovers, MTDC Matharan is a gateway to several hiking trails that lead to popular viewpoints such as Panorama Point, Echo Point, and Charlotte Lake. These trails offer spectacular views of the Sahyadri Range and the surrounding valleys. Early mornings and late afternoons are the best times to explore these trails when the sun casts long shadows and the weather is cool. While MTDC Matharan is relatively remote, it is easily accessible by foot or horseback from Matharan's main market area. Visitors typically arrive at Matharan via the toy train from Neral or by driving up to Dasturi Naka, where all vehicles must be parked. From there, guests either walk or take a horse ride to the resort. The lack of cars within Matharan adds to the sense of retreat and tranquility, making MTDC Matharan an ideal spot for those seeking respite from the pressures of everyday life. MTDC Matharan is more than just a place to stay. It is a destination that encapsulates the essence of Matharan itself. With its proximity to the iconic toy train rail tracks, rustic accommodations, and beautiful natural setting, it offers a peaceful retreat for travelers looking to unwind in one of Maharashtra's most charming hill stations. Whether you are here to explore the trails, enjoy the cool climate, or simply relax and watch the toy train chug by, MTDC Matharan provides a serene and memorable experience.